Hey signers, I hope you're ready because I'm teaching you 25 phrases that you can use in ASL conversations. We've done videos like this before. If you can't find the phrase you're looking for, check out our other videos listed in the description. Now, let's learn how to sign ASL phrases. Where is the bathroom? Bathroom, where? What did you say? Say what? Can you please help me practice? Help me practice, please? How are you? How you? I'm happy. What about you? Me happy. You? Yes, I am hearing. What about you? Yes, me hearing. You? How old are you? You? Age what, you? There are 4 people in my family: my husband, myself, my daughter, and my son. My family, 4. My husband, me, my daughter, my son. My husband is Brian. My husband name, Brian. If you have been interested in learning ASL and don't know where to start, sign up for our 10-day ASL Jumpstart. You'll receive 10 emails in 10 days with helpful tips and resources to jumpstart your ASL journey. Now back to our video. You can learn ASL on YouTube. YouTube, ASL, Learn Can. Do you prefer Facebook or Instagram? Facebook? Instagram? Prefer which you? I have never used Twitter. Twitter, use, never, me. I wish we lived closer to a Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's, wish, live near. My favorite salad is from Chick-Fil-A. Chick-Fil-A salad, my favorite. Whew, it's hot. I want some ice cream. Whew, hot. Ice cream, want I. on vacation? Vacation, go where, you? This summer, we are going on a cruise. Summer, cruise, we go. I am going on vacation in 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, vacation, go, I. One day, I want to visit a jungle. Future, me, want, visit, jungle, me. Would you rather go to an amusement park or relax by the pool? Amusement park? Pool? Relax? Prefer which, you? Do you want to meet on Friday night? Friday night, you want meet you? I'll meet you at the coffee shop once I'm finished at the grocery store. Grocery store, I shop finish. Coffee shop, meet will. I wake up at 5:45 every morning. Not really though, I hit my snooze a lot. Every morning, 5:45, I wake up, I. In the mornings, I enjoy sitting on my patio and drinking coffee. Morning, patio, sit, coffee, drink, enjoy me. I'm grouchy if I haven't had my morning coffee. If morning coffee, not yet, me, grouchy, me. Whew, you did it! 25 ASL phrases. Now go sign up for a 10-day ASL Jumpstart to learn ways that you can grow in your ASL conversational skills. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.